Okay, this is lesson 5-1, and the first thing we're going to talk about is prime and composite numbers. Now, if I asked you to tell me whether a number was prime or composite, well, say it was the number 7. 7 is prime because the only factors of 7 are 1 and 7. By factors, we mean two numbers we can multiply together to get that number. And so 7 has two factors, 1 and 7. What if I said, tell me if 50 is prime or composite? Well, 50, you could go 1 times 50 to get 50. You could also do 2 times 25 to get 50. 3 won't go, 4 won't go, but 5 times 10 would also give you 50. So there's more factors to 50 than just 1 and 50. And that's why 50 is considered a composite number. Now, if I asked you to prime factor a number, let's say I had the number 34. Well, 34 would only break down, it's even, right? It ends and it's an even number, so you know 2 will go into it. So I'm going to use a factor tree, and 2 will go into 3 one time, and 2 will go into 14 7 times. So it'll go 17 times. So 2 times 17 is 34. Can I break 17 down? I cannot, because 17 is a prime number. Therefore, when I prime factor this number, the answer will be 2 times 17. Now, if I tried to factor 30, well, 30 could break down several ways. I'm going to break it down by 10. 10 times 3. Well, 3 is prime, but 10 will break down in 2 times 5. And this, 2, 5, and 3 are all prime numbers, aren't they? So that is the prime factorization of 30. What if I had 12? Well, 12 breaks down into 2 times 6, doesn't it? And 6 breaks down into 2 times 3. Well, when I write the prime factorization of this number, I have 2 times, do I not? So I write it with an exponent, 2 squared times 3, when I write the prime factorization. Sometimes you'll have algebraic expressions like 10AC. Well, 10 breaks down into 2 times 5. And that's prime, both of those are prime. And then it would be times A and times C. What if I had 16x squared? Well, 16 breaks down into 4 times 4, and then this breaks down into 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And if I'm factoring the expression, I would not use exponents. I would just write out 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And then x squared would break down into x times x. So the final answer would be this.